Hello, curious viewers. I heard many stories from many people and read many forums that you can tell the difference from a real ZIPPO and a fake one just based by the sound of the click when you open the lid. So I have here a couple of ZIPPOs. I would like to open them all and just listen to them. Okay, please write it down in the comments below. Which one do you think it was? A real one? Fake one? I'm really curious about what do you think. And now let's repeat it, but now I will tell which one is which. This definitely looks like a ZIPPO, but it's not a ZIPPO. But it's not a fake either. It's something Chinese. Again, a genuine ZIPPO made out of solid copper. It is from 2003. This is a ZIPPO. It's a really beaten up. It is from 2011. This is also a real ZIPPO. It is from 1988. Okay, this is an extreme fake. It was made in the month of I don't know when, in a county that does not exist. Yes, this is a fake. And you can definitely hear a different click. Now we have an Armor ZIPPO. It is from 2016. And the last one, it's not a ZIPPO, so it's not a fake, but gasoline lighter. It doesn't even have a click. As you could hear, most of them were real ZIPPOs, but even them had different click sounds. So I will post the timestamps there so you can listen to each one. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.